You ain't text me back.
What you say?
I said I text you the other day. Why you ain't text me back?
When?
I don't know, the other day, man. I was trying to
Haha.
Who left me?
Well, yeah, thank you, guys.
He fucked up. He fucked up. If you gonna run, don't crash. What the fuck?
Then you can ask officer.
Ma'am, you are under arrest. He got that shit down pat.
Remy.
Yeah. Yeah.
You drive my car. See how fucking badass this thing is, bro. It's insane.
Oh, this BMW.
Hey, y'all speeding. This is cool with the top speed, right?
You don't have it won't give you the option. It'll say release, but it won't let you. Hi, Shishin.
Hi, Judy Booty.
How you doing, girl?
I'm good. How about you?
Doing good. You already in a vest? Ooh, Shin Shin's on fire, baby.
I'm telling you,
I'm
Shin
trying to
Shin
get
don't
my
play.
money
She
back.
gonna hit that vest in like 1 week.
Shin Shin is a great officer, so it makes sense that she would get her vest that quick.
You got anything that
Yeah,
gonna
he's
put
a
me
hard
to
working
stab
officer.
me? No.
Mhm.
All right, let me go ahead and pat you down, my darling. I ain't no stutter. I'm a
Nope.